What if every minute of your engineering team's time was spent on your product, not on piecing together a dozen verification vendors? What if you could cut your losses and accelerate growth starting right now? This is the QoreID platform, your strategic solution for every identity need. Need to onboard users, instant identity verification and AI-powered authentication have you covered. Verifying a business, use business verification. Managing physical operations, last mile verifications, and remote asset verification turn risk into reliability. And it's all protected by our fraud protection engine. We built the complete kit so you can build anything. Watch this. I'm going to integrate instant identity verification with a liveness check, and I'll do it in under 5 minutes. So once you're logged into your QoreID dashboard, you see this button to create new collection. Click it. I'm going to leave it on Nigeria because I'm in Nigeria. I enter a custom name, I'll call it onboarding for new customers, and I just put a description there. Tier 1 verification for customer onboarding. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add new APIs. Since I want to do a ID plus liveness verification, I'm going to go to biometrics, and I'm going to go with the name liveness check that combines liveness check NIN verification. I'll click subscribe and subscribe to it. And next thing I'm going to do from here, I'm going to click proceed to integrate. Automatically, it's going to take you to our QoreID docs, and it'll take you to the authentication page where you can put in your client ID and client secret to generate the token that you can use to integrate in your API calls. So I'll return back to my dashboard. I'll go to settings, go to keys. I'll copy my client ID key. I'll put it here. And then next thing I'm going to do is copy my secret key and put it here. And then once I click try it, it's going to generate the BRR token that I'm going to need. Next thing I'll do is go to the biometric verification section and scroll to name face verification. So from here, I can put in my BRR token, put in the ID number, photo, this is for the face, and just copy the code from here. So depending on what language I use, Shell, Node, Ruby, PHP, Python, you just copy after you put in all the details and put it in your code, and you would have successfully integrated. And this is the API, the URL for the API here. This is how you make your call. And after you've done all of that, you'd have integrated successfully. See, that took just a few minutes. It's product design focused entirely on your developer speed and success. But the real magic isn't the speed, it's the intelligence of the platform. While that was running, one API call didn't just verify an ID. It sent signals to our fraud protection engine, analyzing patterns in real time to catch synthetic fraud before it costs you a dime. This is the difference between a simple check and true risk intelligence. This is why our customers cut fraud by up to 70%. Choosing QoreID isn't a technical decision, it's a business strategy. We're eliminating the massive hidden cost of managing multiple vendors, separate contacts, inconsistent data, and broken customer journeys. We're choosing a partner whose product portfolio is aligned with your growth in Africa. Your team's time is your most valuable asset. Stop wasting in building and maintaining fraud infrastructure. Leverage 3 years of our innovation. I just built a fortress of trust in 5 minutes. Visit QoreID.com to get started today.